Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will cover the topic how to send WhatsApp message without saving number. There are two different methods which we can adopt and send WhatsApp message without saving their number into our contacts. Let's see how we can send. First of all, go to any web browser, type here wa.me/212-762-631168 and enter. In first method, friends, we will type the number wa.me/ its complete number with country code, and then press the key and enter. Friends, here are the option you are you are seeing continue to chat, and then click use WhatsApp web. Its message showing starting chat. We can send any number, we can send any chat to this number without saving. Friends, this is the contact which we are messaging, and we can send any message without adding in our contacts. This is the first procedure, first method, and we will discuss second method. Go to three dots on right side, new group, click on it and type the name of group, like YouTube. We did say YouTube. Group. Okay. Then we add its subject. YouTube group. Okay, friends, YouTube group is created. Now we remove the member. Okay, now we can send message to any person, like wa.me wa.me/ complete name with country code, and then we click no. Friends, we can send message to this number. Here we see this is very fastest way, and we can easily send this number without adding this number into our group. Now we try another wa.me/. Friends, here we can easily send the message to these numbers. Okay, friends, this is the two ways that how we send a message to WhatsApp without adding the contacts into our without saving the contacts into our contacts. I think you will like this video will be helpful for you to see more good videos about technical information, configuration, troubleshooting and installation. Please like and subscribe my channel so you can see more good videos. No, okay, bye.